Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? Let's go! Hey! Yeah, this is my life, my strife, my right to fight, to die, and this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, and I go.
Pwede magluto doon, mag-set up. Yun, tapos dito sa tabi yung motor ko. O, di ba? Tapos ito yung view ko. Ito yung view. Amazing view. Tapos ngayon nagkakape pa ako ngayon. O, di ba? Nakaupo dito sa folding chair ko, and then watching the view. Tama yun, volcano, diba? Napakasarap ng feeling na ganito. So ito guys ha, ito yung Quintina Hills. So search nyo na sa Facebook, makikita nyo yung page nila. So dito guys, campsite po to. Sobrang lawak ng campsite na to. Sa halagang 150 pesos lang guys. Yung 50 pesos entrance. Tapos yung 100 pesos is yung bayad sa pitching ng tent. So kahit saan ka magpwesto ng tent mo dyan, ano yun, diba? Napakalawak. So may sarili silang CR, may tubig din. Medyo malayo lang pag doon ka sa pwesto na yun, medyo malayo lang yung CR, kasi andun pa yung CR sa taas yun. Ano ba yun? Tapos may tindahan din doon na maliit, kaya bumili alak. Ay, bawal dito yung alak ha. Yung mga soft drinks, tubig, makakabili ka doon. Dito guys, well recommended ko tong lugar na to. Medyo lang siya malayo talaga siya sa Manila. Pero best campsite dude.